Oh, bus fans in super deformed shape, that is. We have a ChoroQ here. Google Translate tells me this is a Meitetsu bus. And Meitetsu is a big bus station. I'm gonna guess that's what it looks like, kind of crudely. And unfortunately, I couldn't find any images of a classic looking bus like this, so I just pulled up the search results for Meitetsu bus. And they definitely seem to have a red and white livery. It's just that all the photos are modern buses. So we have nothing to compare to. Oh well, anyways, we got some nice molded details on this one. We got some headlights molded in there, recessed and protruding at the same time. These turn signal things are big bumps here. This one's pretty smooth though. License plate, tampo printed nicely. Whoa, what's this thing? Does this say what kind of bus it is? A Fuso. Alright, cool. That's very rare to actually know what these buses actually are. But this is a Fuso. It is a little weird that there's a license plate bracket here, but the license plate's up there. The route number's tampo printed, which is cool. There's some tampo printed wiper blades there as well. Nice molded details on all these windows and doors. And then this actually has wheels that look like bus wheels, so that's pretty nice. On the back, it's smooth here, tampo printed. Yeah, printed on windows, and the license plate again. But the bumper here sticks out, painted silver. No doors on this side, but some light molding to the windows again. On the top, we got some hatches or whatnot, and maybe an air conditioning unit or something. And then a whole bunch of seats facing forward, driver's steering wheel, and I don't know, I can't see what's going on in there. Maybe a step or something. So it's okay. It's actually better than usual, actually. I like the fact that it actually has bus wheels, not 5-spoke mags. Let's take a look at a couple other buses then. Some classic looking, well, not classic buses, but 1970s to 1990s maybe. Here's one. It's very boxy looking. Here's another one. I don't know what it is. I think this is just called a non-step bus or something. This is like, got some stickers on it promoting a radio station. Now this one actually has a bunch of boxes on the roof too, but they're much taller. So, and also the windows are much more recessed on this, so that's not the same molding. But see, it's got 5-spoke mags. It's kind of weird. Alright. So there's the top view. Well, let's let this guy spin on its own. And he's spinning with Mario today. So it's a pretty nice bus, I think, from ChoroQ. Only the back isn't really molded so much. But the other three sides have nice molded details. The tampo printing's all nice as well. So I like it. Okay, well thanks for watching today, and I'll see you the next time again on the bus in.